Nut.
Nut, 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 nut. We're gonna do this. O for octopus. P for piggy. U for
Nope, that's not a U. What is that?
U.
Q.
Q for quail.
Quack, quack, quack.
W. What's this?
That's a W. You're right.
W for spider.
For watch.
Watch. Watch. X for what's that?
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
No, what's the other one? At the bottom of the page.
Zebra.
What's that one?
Z for Z.
No, what's that one? Yeah, what's that?
Z.
That's not a Z. What is that?
U.
So Y.
I for yak. Yak, yak, yak. V for zebra. Z, z, z. A, B, C, D, E, E, F. What's F? F, G, H, I, J, K, O, L, M, P, O.
What's this one?
Oh, I already do that
Oh,
one.
you did that Q.
U. What's this?
That's an N.
M, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
How do you? What's your name, Derek? What's your full name? Do you know?
Derek.
Derek what?
Beaster.
Derek Breslin.
Beaster. Derek Beaster. Say hi to Derek Beaster.
Hello, Derek Breslin.
Hello, Derek.
You say bye?
Bye, Doodoo.